Hello, puppies. Hello, puppies. These are the puppy dogs that we say hello to on our walk. Okay, so come on. Sylvia. Sylvia, come here. Your daddy's watching. You better listen. Sylvia, come. Sylvia, come here. Look, now you done made the thing get all tangled. Daddy ain't gonna let me take you out here no more. You don't behave. Come on. And across the street is our mud puddle. Sorry, this is probably gonna be all over the place. Wait, wait. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Okay, now sniff. Don't roll in it. Jeez. No, 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 no! Don't do it! Oh, saved her. She almost did it. She almost did it. She's a dirty girl. Hang on, you gotta wait. Sit. Sit, Sylvia. Thank you. Sit. 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 Okay, sniff, sniff. Come on, Sylvia. Come on, Sylvia. Now she stinks.